Feel that? That's a lot of wind.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's a lot of wind. Oh my god.
Rev it up.
All right, let's wash his shirt. Oh, fuck me, that blew my shirt off. You don't need to go that close, Jesus Christ. This is a hybrid diverter blow-off valve, and you can unscrew a block off, and then put on, oh god, put on the atmospheric blow-off. And so this lets you do is you can get your desired noise.
Yeah, so we got like a really stock diverter valve on my car, and it hits like 18 to 20 pounds, and I don't think it's really,
yeah, it's not meant, yeah, it's not meant for that. And this says that it can hit 28 pounds max.
You can go up to stage 3 plus. Also for another video, there's a big turbski right there. So we're gonna go show you guys how to install it right there. It's not that fast.
Oh yeah, Jake, sure.
Might as well have like a quart of oil just like pouring into the valve cover.
Oh, wait, we're just trying not to die real quick.
Pop it.
Pop it.
Yep.
Ooh, wow. Look at that. Look at that.
Nice.
Moisture.
Oh, I forgot. This hood doesn't hold itself.
What? The gas strap blew?
Well, yeah, it was really cold out and it just like blew apart.
That sucks. All right, I'll go grab a stick.
Hurry up.
Bastard. Making me get.
Got a perfect size stick.
All right. Not actual size.
You don't know that.
Oh no, it clicked again.
Hold it.
All right. Ow.
Look at that.
Might as well be.
I'm just gonna keep it in my truck.
Oh yeah.
So ignore the coolant hose. That's just a temporary fix for the next couple years.
Temporary.
Oh, we need pliers.
You bastard.
I told Aiden we didn't need to bring his whole tool set out. But
And guess what we
easy
do?
fix. Oh, I also forgot that I put this on backwards.
Oh, I guess we
Need a ratchet.
Fix it.
You need a ratchet.
You need a ratchet too?
Yeah, cause look, it's like, oh, never mind, I got
No,
it.
you got it. Okay.
So yeah, there's two spots that you take it off on. Okay, right here. It's a diverter valve. It's a recirculation valve. Excess boost pressure goes back into the intake, spooling the turbo prematurely.
That was
good.
But it's okay.
That was good.
Well,
That was quick. I pulled that right out of my ass.
Yep.
That got 40,000 views, so this better beat that for all 150 subscribers of you. I know you all watched it 1,000 times each. It's a tight fit. It's a tight fit. Wow. I'm gonna have to upgrade my vacuum hoses. Long dick style.
Oh right.
Oh yeah, it's already ready to go.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's prepared.
Professional YouTuber 101.
Oh fuck me! That blew my shirt off.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's a lot of wind. Oh my god.
Rev it up.
All right, let's wash his shirt.
Maximum blow-off valve.
That's a lot. That's a loud noise.
Let's go rip it down the road. All right, boys. It's gonna sound dirt nasty.
Yeah, don't respect my neighbor. No, my neighbor.
Which one?
That
My
one.
car's not loud.
Doesn't matter.
Yes, it is. Hey, and you send it down this road every day.
I don't. Well, yeah. So, what I mean.
You might have to turn the clicker up. It's not
What'd she hit?
Watch. You see.
What? Is that it? Was that only it was hitting?
Yeah.
That's full power?
Yeah, it's like, I think it needs to be clicked more. Or less.
Pull over.
Less clicks.
More clicks.
Oh yeah, we can just do it right here.
Yeah. We didn't bring.
Wait, no, more clicks is less boost.
No, more clicks is. 45 is stage 3.
Okay, I guess we're stage 3 now.
Well, yeah. Okay. Just a little vacuum leak.
Yeah, that's my registration. I just got it. Spinning tires.
What the heck? Did I just watch the PCH hit 20?
You feel like your boost isn't building properly, it's probably because of your diverter valve. In that case, look at heavier duty ones. I got this one on Amazon. It's an RDX. It's there's like different options, but this one was 60 bucks. And I know everybody goes for like the forges and stuff, but I wanted to be different and cheap, so. That's loud.
That is pretty loud.
Sounds like a Supra.
Almost.
I'm satisfied. You satisfied, Aiden?
I'm satisfied.
You satisfied, YouTube? That's what I thought.
Beautiful.
Subscribe to the damn channel.
We'll give you a free sticker. Yeah.
Yeah, just we'll get you these ones. We just have to go to the store and buy them and sell them for more, so we make money.
Yeah, what he said. Yep. Oh, also, looking always vision.
Oh yeah, yes. We're fucked.
Quick update. We just came to stop and turn around, and his battery light came on, and the car died.
So about the whole aftermarket blow-up valve thing, I don't know.
Hopefully it's not.
It's probably not. Just my car sucks.
I guess we'll find out if we make it home.
Yeah, this isn't good. It's not good.
It's okay. We have a friend that's coming in 45 minutes.
Yeah,
we'll only get frostbite if you lose a few limbs.
You could also just run a few miles.
In what is it, like fucking 3 degrees?
Yeah, and I can't feel my feet in my car.
Yeah.
Shoes have no insulation. Oh fuck, this is not good. Why'd the battery light come on?
I don't know.
What? I didn't do anything. I just made it sound cool.
Yeah, that doesn't.
I ran with it blocked off before.
Which is the same thing. It's just full atmosphere.
What the freak?
Except
drivability issues might die while you're driving, I guess. Yeah, I guess.
I don't know. It probably is in the blow-off valve. We'll keep you updated on whether or not this is a good product, and maybe we'll change it around a little bit and see what it sounds like on different setups. Yeah. All right. See ya.
Yeah. See you guys. Bye.